What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do the BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of March. And I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, Shae, it's April. What happened? It's a long story. Anyways, hopefully I'll upload April's next week to kind of like keep myself like on balance. And sorry for not wearing any makeup today too. I'm trying out these new skincare products and I'm trying to see if they work or not. So far they are doing wonders. My bags are going away a little bit, but I'm waiting for my other stuff to get here. I might do a video on that too, we'll see. But anyway, not going to talk for that long. Thank you so much for watching and clicking on this video. You guys are great, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So, fun fact, I got the box maybe March 3rd. I got it really early. So I waited a few weeks because I was debating if I wanted to get like the upgraded box. I chose against it. So I did open the box already because the box did look like it was about to bust open. But I promise you, I have not tried anything in the box. I haven't even opened anything. So I'm just going to let you guys see like what's in the box before I roll. So first thing is Project Beauty Hair Gurt Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask. So that's what it looks like. Obviously, cannot use this today. Some other day I'll use it. Let's see. This is Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. So I hope that this will turn out well for me. Let me actually see. I want to see how big it is because this is a tiny box. So Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm from Pharmacy. Oh, it says it's limited edition. So that's what this looks like. So we might use that to take my makeup off tonight. The Living in Color palette. Oh no. There we go. Let's see. Living in Color. I feel like I've heard of this before. It's by Hank and Henry. So let me, if I can get the box open. Come on. Well, they boxed it perfectly. Come on. There we go. I'll just say, for as big as the box looks, the colors are very small. I have a nice mirror though, but I was expecting something a little bigger, but oh well. And then finally, Vintage by Jessica Leaveskind. I'm sorry if I just butchered your name. It must be sparkling lip gloss. So we'll use this at the end. Okay, so I already did my foundation and I powdered. I'm just gonna do my brows real quick. Then we'll get on to the Living in Color palette and see how that works out. I'm gonna take fluffy crease brush. I'm going to go into this blue color. I'm going to do like a mismatch. What's the color? Boy's Toy.
Here we go.
I'm going to take this little padding brush, looks like this. I'm going to go in with this dark color right here. I'm going to go into my inner and outer corner. into this purple color and just go in the center of my lid. And then I'm just going to blend everything out. I'm going to take this patting brush, go in this little color that's a little more chocolate-like, and then go under, do my under eye. I will say, because this just happened again, this is pigmented. Pigmented. Okay, going to the other side because I'm going to try and use every color. I'm going to try. So I'm going to get a different patting brush. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to use the other side. And I'm going to go into this burnt orangey color called, I can't pronounce it, so I'll write it down. And go in a crease.
Invincible.
I've seen some other like pictorials on Instagram, and I will say I don't know how people are like blending all the way up into like their eyebrow, because I keep trying, but then I look crazy, so I'm not gonna do that. Brush, and I'm gonna go in. Let's see. I'm gonna go with this color first. Do it on the outer. Okay, I have to use my finger because that didn't work. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, it's okay. This blue color, go towards the middle. Oof. 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 If you like glitter, this is the palette for you, because wooey, baby. And then finally, this color right here. Okay. And then I'm just going to blend everything out again. So I'm just going to blend everything out. And then I'm going to take this part of the brush right here that's flat. I'm going to go in. Take this brush and blend it out. I'm going to take this little patting brush and I'm going to go into this gold color right here and go into my inner corner. Itself is really, really nice. As you can see, it's super pigmented, which is good. The design of the palette lives up to its name, living in color, literally. So I do like the palette. I will not say that I don't like it. I just wish that there was a little more to it, like even just 2 more colors, that would be amazing. But other than that, good job. I would, if you like colors, living in color, that's it. How about this? So let's see how this looks after I just broke a nail. Not a fan of the brush. am a fan of the gloss. Hey guys, so I'm back the next day. So as you can see, like, I have different makeup on, but we're still going to try this out. So directions say gently massage onto dry skin, or for eye makeup removal, apply to closed eyes, rinse with warm water, or wipe off with a damp washcloth. So I guess it's just meant, oh, I just noticed. I guess it's just meant for eye makeup, but I'm going to try my face makeup too, because why not? But I just noticed that there's like this little spatula thingy, which I did not notice yesterday, so cool. So let's pop the lashes off into, oh, it's kind of hard. I expected it to be a little soft. Oh, never mind. Okay. I think that was probably too much. And then just pop it on my finger. And so there are my hands. That's, oh wow. Oh whoa. It really did take all my eye makeup off. Oh, that's because it's over here. It looks like the foundation didn't come off, but obviously that's probably what the wipe is for. So, kinda, my hands are so sticky. They're not sticky, but they're so like greasy. Not trying to get it everywhere. Okay, there we go. Usually it takes 2 wipes to get my makeup off, so I want to see if it'll just take it off with 1, because that'll be great. It'll save me wipes every day. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I got it in my eye, but my eyes are like fogging up. I'm trying to like not wipe my eyes, but I think I got some in my eyes because my eyes are like fogging over. So I'm hoping within the next few minutes like it'll go away. So it did work. All of it came off with 1 wipe, which is really, really good. So I do like this a lot, and I think even like for just like face stuff at night, this will be really good. If you do try it, just be careful, don't get it in your eyes. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, go ahead and leave a like if you want to, and then subscribe for more videos. I'm hoping to start posting a little more often. It's kind of like my New Year's resolution, is to post more. And yeah, share this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.